Hey guys, for today's vlog we are going to dive into a topic that sounds super academic but actually affects us every single day. Globalization. If you look at what's on our plates or what we drink every day, it's literally everywhere. Let's talk about the positive side first. Globalization has completely transformed our food culture. Parang automatic na sa atin to crave international cuisines like samgyeopsal from Korea, Japanese ramen, or global coffee chains. Because of open trade and global cultural exchange, we don't need to travel to Seoul or New York just to experience their food. It introduces us to new flavors, creates diverse dining experience, and connects us to different cultures through food. But of course, there is a negative side to this, as we became heavily reliant or imported global food brands and ingredients. Our local agricultural sector takes a hit. Naengganyo tayo to support massive foreign franchise that sometimes lead to neglecting our own local farmers and homegrown produce. Plus, importing so much of our food supply makes us vulnerable to global inflation and supply chain issues affecting our own food security. This brings me to my final reflection. How should globalization be managed for it to be more beneficial than harmful? I believe it all comes down to balance and conscious choices on a personal level. We can practice mindful eating, supporting our local farmers and public markets, while still enjoying international food trends. On a larger scale, the government needs to strictly protect and subsidize local agriculture so it can compete globally. Globalization is here to stay, but if we manage it with sustainability in mind, we can enjoy global flavors without sacrificing our own local communities. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Bye!